Today we're going to be making a stir fry using Bamnut Noodles from What If Foods. Why we're using What If Food? Because they're noodles. 17 grams of protein per serving, 60% lower fat, 2.5 times more the dietary fiber compared to the other brands. No artificial colors and flavors. For the stir fry sauce, we're going to be using Buffalo Wild Wings Asian Zing sauce. And we're going to be using some pre-prepped chicken thighs that have been marinating in that Asian Zing sauce for 24 hours. While we wait for the water to boil, what we're going to do is place the chicken that I had marinating overnight into the Ninja Foodie. We're going to set it to roast for 11 minutes. Whew. All right, now let's see how this tastes. So this is worth the 800 calories. Maybe you want to bulk up, but